Hello and good afternoon. I have just received a box of new Creative Memories products, and I wanted to take a few minutes to open that box and share them with you because they're really pretty. So the first thing in my box here is the Firecracker Punch, and I know it may seem a little silly to buy a punch that is only used like for one day out of the year, right? But in my family, my grandpa was a truck driver, and his CB handle was firecrackers. So I don't know, I just have to have firecracker things. But he also turned 90 on the 4th of July. That's why it was his CB handle. And so we have some pictures of a social distance birthday celebration with him, as well as we normally have a few folks over to watch the fireworks here in West Fork. So there's what the Firecracker Punch looks like. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, another new tool is the new Border Maker cartridge. This is the Ruffle Trim, and the Border Maker has to be my favorite tool. I really can't explain to you why, except that it's so versatile and that they come out with these cartridges on a really regular basis, and so I always have to buy the newest one. Let me show you what this looks like. Go. Now I've seen several postings where people have made these out of multiple colors and then just layered them on each other, and it's just really pretty, but I like that a lot. So there. Oh, another one of my very favorite products are our card kits. And this is the one, Signed, Sealed, and Celebrate, that just came out. And I will do a separate video to show you what these look like all complete. But you can see it's really nice, bright colors. And what I love about our card kits is that all the instructions are right here. So for each card, you've got the pieces that you use and the order that you put them on there. And so I'm going to do a video separately on here's how you put together a card kit and how easy it is and how awesome that it looks like when you're finished. So love the card kits. Okay, I have a couple of the Fresh Fusion sets, and let me switch down here again so I can show you. Here's the stickers, and what I loved about these stickers is that it has some really great sayings in here. It's a good day to have a good day. I cannot tell you how many times my husband says that. He has it on a t-shirt, so I know that that is something that I'll definitely use in my albums. And just look at all these bright colors, and you know, these would be great strips to hold down photos, to make them kind of pop a little bit. Balloons. These are some border strips. Oh, and here's some more border strips, so you can use just all kinds of fun things. A picture's worth 1,000 words. This makes my heart smile. I just love these sayings, and that was the main reason why I wanted to get those stickers. Let me also show you the Fresh Fusion. I got the rainbow pack. I didn't buy all of them, but this one was my favorite, and so that's the one that I bought. So let's just flip through them really quick because they're super pretty. I love this one because it looks like a quilt and it looks like a really fancy page, but no efforts required. It's just perfect the way it is. So each of these, there'll be 2 of these sheets, so you'll get a double-sided look to it. So just to go together. And then so these 2 will be, I love that rainbow and more of the quilt look. course, if you know my family, we're crazy about quilting. So, oh, and rainbow polka dots. This is just such a pretty set, and you can do so much with it. And of course, there were the soft and bold, you know, other versions of the Fresh Fusion to fit whatever suits you, but this was just my favorite, so that's the one that I bought. Anyway, I just wanted to show that to you. And then, let's see, Electric Summer, the Variety Mat Pack. I love these because I'll use them, you know, to just, if you need to fill some space on a page, then, you know, these are perfect to do that. You know, they'll have a horizontal and a vertical version. Just some fun sayings to add to it. If you're doing like the slide-in pages, then this is the perfect size of a photo, so it'll slide into the hole and fill some space. You can also use these as mats. Another thing I do is, like, if it's this kind where it looks kind of cool on either side, I'll fold these and use to make a little gift card to go onto a, you know, a birthday present or whatever. So I just can make a really quick card and it just be something that I have right there. So I like these. These are fun and bright, and also not too beach oriented. I mean, there's a few in there, but I mean, we're not beach people really in my family, so I didn't want something that was too much along that theme. I cannot get this one out. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, so these are a little bit bigger, so these are perfect for matting your photos. So you can see, like, this is a photo size. It would fit perfectly on there as a mat. So, or it could be journal boxes. They make really good journal boxes. Just fun little mat pack here. Yeah. So I just had a few items in my box, and I just thought, well, I'll jump on real quick and show those to you. But I also wanted to mention our virtual crop that we have coming up on August the 8th, and you're going to see some more advertisements about that on my Facebook page, but I think it's going to be a really fun event. We're going to go from 9 to 9. It's free just to follow along on the page and watch some of the videos. I do have some bundles that we are offering for, you know, this is kind of the leftover from National Scrapbook Day that got canceled back in May. So I do have the National Scrapbook Day project recipe kits, and so I've got some bundles that I'm going to be selling around those, and a special session related to those. So stay tuned to the Facebook page or the event page if you've already joined it, and we'll share those and see what you would like to have, if anything. And then another really exciting announcement is that starting tomorrow, we have a special purchase of spend $150 and choose one of these exclusive bundles for free. So bundle 1 has waves, and it's a wave border punch and a special album and paper pack. And then bundle 2 has the palm tree border punch and a different colored album and a different colored paper pack set. So you can pick either one of those, and you'll get that for free when you spend $150. Now, I'm going to add to my Facebook page here in just a little bit some suggestions for how you can purchase $150. And the price change for shipping is at $151. So it's always like a really puzzle piece to get something that your total is $150 or $150.50. So you pay the lower shipping cost, but you still qualify for the special bundle. So I'm going to put some suggestions on Facebook that you can flip through and just kind of see some ideas of how to match up different products to get to that price point. And if you want both of those bundles, you do have to place separate orders of $150 or more. So anyway, that's something fun starting tomorrow, and I just wanted to tell you about it. But anyway, just happy Sunday, and hope you're having a great weekend and that your week coming up is super special. And holler at me if you need anything. I'd love to help you preserve your memories. Thanks a bunch.